and I just wanted to say how unbelievably proud I am, and the generosity, the comments, it's been unbelievable. My phone has not stopped.
Oh, someone's taken them. Oh, yeah. How was it too much because someone wants to take all of it? There you go. Bye-bye. Bye to Natasha. Happy Halloween! There you go. Bye-bye. Bye to Natasha. Happy Halloween! There you go. Bye-bye. Bye to Natasha. Happy Halloween!
My name's Natasha Holloway, and this is my son Nathan. And on Halloween, him and his friend were seen on a doorbell camera, and instead of emptying bowls, you were giving your treats back, weren't you? And I just wanted to say how unbelievably proud I am, and the generosity, the comments, it's been unbelievable. My phone has not stopped. Even now, it's still going. But yeah, he's a good lad, and it's nice that other people are seeing it. But the reach that this has had is unbelievable, and I don't think Nathan quite understands the scope of it just yet. But slowly but surely, we're going through everybody's comments. I will get round to everybody at some point to like them and comment back as and where I can. But yeah, we're working through them, aren't we, babe?
Yeah.
There you go. Bye-bye. Bye to Natasha. Happy Halloween!